Hi, it's Erica and Cassandra. We are going to be showing you how to make Play-Doh or Slappy slime, I guess. And you'll need some lotion, any lotion, and you'll need some flour and some soap. Okay, I'll go grab the soap. Okay, so I'm gonna add some soap.
Come on my hand.
And some soap.
Just make a little bit because you can't always do soap. Wait, I got it. Got it.
I'm gonna take some
I can do this.
flour. Add some flour to it. Then mix it in.
I'm gonna mix.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix it. So you're gonna keep putting flour in
Until it's not sticky.
Sticky, but not that sticky.
Just a little tiny bit sticky. So that it's not like really
Not
sticky.
really sticky.
Good.
So this is almost done. Still sticky. Oh!
Okay, look, I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore, so you win. Okay?
Got it.
It's gonna end up like this.
Make a spaceship so you can get back to your home planet. And Rob's phone call for you today, Tom Jones. He wants his pants back.
The lotion's supposed to make it stretchy, but I didn't add that much lotion to this. So, yeah.
I thought it was good, but it's still sticky.
Okay. Just use it.
I can't believe you would say that. Sorry, Monica and Chandler are in love. I mean, this is a huge...
We're just watching Friends.
I'm tired, man.
Need a little bit more.
I just want to go to bed.
Just after. Made this like at 4 o'clock in the morning. No, just kidding, 3. Around 3, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah.
It's 3:40 right now.
They did it right there on the couch.
Then once it's like not sticking like stringy sticky, then you're gonna add some lotion. Put it on.
If I wake up early in the morning, I'm waking you up with me.
Okay. And then
If you
I'm
wake
just
up
gonna
early in the morning, you wake me up.
okay. And then it's gonna be like
You should
Alright.
sleep up here.
okay. So yeah. yeah, that's a kind of like putty and or Play-Doh
That's
or
is slime.
fluffy
There.
slime, whatever you want to
We're
call
going
it.
to bed. Bye.
Bye.